Arisa Ugu there. Let's for the World Book Day. Yeah, thank you very much. Let's talk very quickly. Something just coming into our box right now. One of Nigeria's largest company, Nestle, just releases 2016 full-year financials. Revenue up 20.3%. That's almost 182 billion naira that Nestle is reporting. In terms of net profit, that's where the bottom fell out for this large consumer goods company. Nestle is reporting 66.6% decline in net profit for 2016. Listening to this is heartbreaking. Nestle reported 23.7 billion naira in 2015 as net profit. For 2016, that went down to 7.9 billion naira. If you do a simple math, that's almost 18 billion naira that Nestle lost in 2016 financial year. This is one story that is hitting the market. Now, for those of you who are shareholders of Nestle, the company says what you'll be getting as dividend is much lower, so quite a lot of stories out there. Well, let's take a quick break. We'll be right back, and we'll have a lot more to talk about the market, how these numbers are being discussed on the floor of the stock exchange. Final lap of the program, and you're just getting that earnings flash from Nestle, listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange, largest consumer goods company on the market in the food business, reporting a very disappointing 2016 numbers. Net profit down 66.6% to just 8 billion. In 2015, Nestle reported about 23.7 billion naira, despite a growth of 20.3% in headline revenue. Rotimi Fakaijo is a trader and chief executive officer at the Nigerian Stock Exchange, and is on the phone to us at the moment. Rotimi, good morning.
Good morning, Paulson.
Yeah, this is really heartbreaking from Nestle Nigeria.
Yes, it is.
So, how is the market digesting these earnings just on the wire a few minutes ago?
Well, it's really been awful, the response, and we've seen that happening in more than 3 weeks or 4 weeks, whereby the share price has nosedived to below 600 naira. And this morning, since it's a large cap stock, very much volume of 10,000, and also that's about 5.6 million naira will be required to actually move the price. So for this morning, the price has not moved. Though the stocks are available to buy, but very few investors are actually opting for the stock. So the response this morning is very negative.
Yeah, that's very expected, and we know that there will be more responses for the rest of today, tomorrow, and the days ahead. But let's move on very quickly to one very big positive news on the market today for you traders and members of the stock exchange, the admittance of $1 billion Eurobond. Is this something that you stock traders are talking about?
Yes, I believe we're talking about it, and we believe that with the oversubscription of that Eurobond, at least to about 8 times over, is really exciting, and it goes on to explain that the investors really still have confidence in the market. What this will bring for us is that the last Eurobond actually made available more for foreign portfolio investors coming into the equity market. So also the news will go abroad as well, and people will definitely get to know that there is more confidence restoring to the Nigerian economy, and we're going to get more response through that. Although there may not be trading as is expected on that particular Eurobond, but it has gone a long way to actually deepen the market and expand the number of products available on the bourse.
In terms of your clients, let's make this specific now, investors who wants to get into the market, are there discussions, some questions, or queries being asked about, what is this Eurobond all about? Is this something I can participate in? What are the key areas of it, the objectives? What have you? Are you getting any of this from the outside?
Well, I think the major focus is that is dollar, and though the return is not as much as the local bond, but I believe it's the dollar denomination that is actually a major attraction to investors. And to me, I believe if we are having stability in the naira right now, it may not really be the kind of, it may not really have warranted the interest that would have been before now. So I believe the dollar denomination is actually what is makes the bond to be attractive. And I believe that the investors actually want to diversify their portfolio. So it's a good welcome development to the market.
Okay, we appreciate that. And whatever you folks hear, the facts behind the listing presentations, you're going to bring us up to speed on that. Thank you very much, Rotimi Fakayijo, for wrapping up the program for us today, live from Abuja, Nigeria's political capital. I am Bosin Omofaye. We thank you for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow, live from Lagos. 24 hours. Stick around.